Looking for the best cordless pole pruner to tackle those overgrown branches? With so many options out there, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. But don't worry, we've tested and ranked the top 5 cordless pole pruners, from weakest to best, so you can make the right choice. Ready? Let's dive in. Starting off at number 5, we have the V-Modest 2-in-1 cordless pole saw. It's a lightweight, budget-friendly option that aims to combine power and portability. With a 21-volt lithium-ion battery and a 650-watt brushless motor, it's designed for trimming small to medium branches. The 15-foot pole extension is a nice touch, making it ideal for reaching higher branches without a ladder. On paper, it looks good, and the brushless motor ensures better efficiency and longevity compared to traditional motors. It's also one of the lightest models on the list, which is great if you don't want to deal with arm fatigue. Plus, it comes with 2 batteries, meaning you get extra runtime without having to wait to recharge. But here's the catch. There's no clear information on charging time or runtime. That's a red flag if you want predictable performance. Additionally, it lacks an automatic lubrication system, meaning you'll have to manually oil the chain, which can be a hassle. So, who is this for? If you need an affordable lightweight pole saw for occasional light-duty trimming, this could be a decent pick. However, if you want something with more power and convenience, keep watching. We've got better options coming up, and by the way, you can find the best deals for all these pole pruners in the description below. Next up at number 4 is the IMOUMLIVE 2-in-1 cordless pole saw and mini chainsaw. This one follows the same 2-in-1 concept as the V-Modest, but with a more powerful 700-watt motor and slightly better reach at 15.2 feet. It's built for flexibility. You can use it as a mini chainsaw for groundwork or attach the telescoping pole for high branches. In terms of performance, the stronger motor gives it an edge over the V-Modest, making it better suited for thicker branches. It's also easy to maneuver thanks to its lightweight design. The adjustable pole means you can tweak the length based on the height you need, which is super convenient. But like the previous one, it also has some missing details. The charging time isn't specified, and while it does perform better, its chain lubrication system is unclear. If you're planning to use it often, these small details could add up. Overall, the IMOUMLIVE is a solid mid-tier choice for those who need a little more power and better versatility than the V-Modest. But if you're serious about performance, you might want to go for the next models on this list. And hey, if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps out. At number 3, we have the WORX WG349 Power Share, a step up in both build quality and ease of use. WORX is known for making reliable, user-friendly tools, and this one comes with automatic chain tensioning and lubrication, which means less maintenance and more cutting. Unlike the previous models, the WORX WG349 has an 8-inch bar, giving it more cutting capacity. It also features an adjustable cutting head, so you can tackle angled branches without awkward positioning. And with a 1-hour fast charge, you're back to work quicker than the other models. The downside? It's a bit heavier at 8.8 pounds, which might be noticeable during long sessions. Also, the battery and charger are not always included, so be sure to check what's in the box before buying. Lastly, it has slightly less reach at 13 feet compared to others in its price range. So is this one for you? If you want a hassle-free pole saw with automatic maintenance, this is a great pick. However, if you need maximum reach and power, the next 2 options are even better. Taking the runner-up spot, the TROOZY cordless pole saw and mini chainsaw 2-in-1 delivers a great balance of power, runtime, and usability. It's another 2-in-1 design, meaning you get both a pole saw and a mini chainsaw in one tool. What sets it apart is its brushless motor, which makes it more efficient and durable than many competitors. One of the biggest strengths is battery life. With up to 100 minutes of runtime, it lasts longer than most models in this category. The multi-angle head adds flexibility, allowing you to make precise cuts at different angles. It's also fairly lightweight at 7 pounds, making it easier to handle for extended jobs. However, it lacks an automatic lubrication system, meaning you have to oil the chain manually. It's not a deal breaker, but it's an extra step compared to the WORX WG349. Also, the bar length is only 6 inches, which might limit you if you need to cut larger branches. If you want a long-lasting battery and versatile design, the TROOZY is an excellent choice. But if you need raw power and professional grade performance, let's move on to our number 1 pick. And finally, taking the top spot as the best cordless pole pruner on the market, we have the Greenworks 80-volt 10-inch brushless cordless pole saw. This beast is built for heavy-duty cutting and is the most powerful option on our list. If you need serious performance for larger branches, this is the one to get. The 80-volt lithium-ion battery gives it unmatched cutting power compared to all the others we've covered. It has a 10-inch bar, which is larger than any other model here, meaning you can cut through thicker branches with ease. It also boasts a high chain speed of 43 feet per second, ensuring fast, clean cuts every time. Plus, with rapid charging, you won't be stuck waiting long when the battery runs low. Now let's talk drawbacks. The Greenworks 80-volt is heavier than most of the other options at 8.4 pounds, which might be a concern for some users. Also, while the brushless motor makes it efficient, the battery life can degrade over time, especially with frequent use. And like the most powerful saws, you'll need to keep an eye on chain tension adjustments. So, who should get this one? If you're a homeowner with large trees or a professional landscaper, the Greenworks 80-volt is hands down the best choice. It has the power, the reach, and the efficiency to handle any cutting job. If you want the best of the best, this one is it. So, there you have it, the top 5 cordless pole pruners ranked from weakest to best. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option, go for the V-Modest or IMOUMLIVE. If you want a solid mid-range pick, the WORX WG349 is a great hassle-free choice. The TROOZY is perfect for long battery life and versatility, but if you want maximum power and performance, the Greenworks 80-volt is the ultimate winner. Check out the best prices for all these pole saws in the description below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth tool reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy trimming!